Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to download GTA Vice City on iOS and Android devices. Follow this step-by-step guide carefully to ensure everything works smoothly. The first thing you need to do is go to your device setting, next tap on General and then on Software Update. It is crucial to ensure your device is updated to the latest version of the operating system. If your device isn't updated, take a moment to update it and come back to this guide. Once your device is ready, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type GTA Vice City and hit search. You will see a list of results. Scroll down until you find the correct game listing for GTA Vice City. Tap on it to open the games page. Here's the thing, GTA Vice City is a paid game. You will notice it requires payment to download. But don't worry, purchasing the game legally is straightforward. To proceed, go back to your settings and tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on Payments and Shipping, our payments method for Android user. From here, you can add your credit card or debit card details to your account. Once your payment method is set up, return to the games page in the App Store or Google Play Store and make the purchase. Once installed, you will be ready to dive into the world of GTA Vice City and relive the classic gaming experience on your mobile device. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.